Ah. Denial of this island, sir. No, sir! You are not Captain C. We got ribboats inbound and the attack craft. Ribboats inbound and the attack craft.
We have taken objective Echo.
Oh yeah. Multi-kill.
Enemy soldier, due east.
You got the dude too. What we got inbound now? Chopper inbound. Chopper inbound. I know that. I'm just letting you know. Hey, Matic, light that up. Never mind, he's down. No, I was gonna say the chopper. Oh, we got a dude flying in. He took out your mortar there, bro.
West of your current location, there is a hostile machine gunner.
Thank you, whoever that was. Thank you, sir. Alright, man. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, you're throwing it back there.
Listen up. Objective Alpha is neutralized.
It's kind of a vulnerable position there, my friend.
There is an LAV.
Обнаружен! Вражеский! Так!
Be advised, objective Alpha is now under our control.
We took back Alpha, somebody did. Now, let's see what we got coming in.
Видел вражеский танк!
Attack boats on the inbound.
Видел вражеский корабль!
Listen up. I have eyes on an AT soldier east of where you're at.
Hey, buddy.
I need you to defend this objective.
Oh, yes! John, thanks to you and your ammo box. That is 2 8 attack crafts down. Oh, snap. I'm getting sniped from behind.
I've spotted a hostile sniper to the west of your position.
Where is he sniping from? We got a sniper at A somewhere. Don't quite see where he's at. Yeah, I don't quite see where he's at. Is he way up on the hill? Oh, okay, you probably got him then. Again? Seriously? You need to just stop using those helicopters, bro.
Обнаружен! Вражеский солдат!
Objective Bravo is neutralized.
Вижу вражеского пулеметчика! Вижу вражеский танк!
Oh, I got the kill! I got the kill!
Objective Echo is
Oh, God, that was awesome. Oh, that is on stream, too. Oh, that is so amazing. So, John, I lined up a shot straight at one of the snipers over there. I just let it go. I didn't even direct it. And I got the kill, dude. That was amazing. Like, watch this rocket come towards your face and then just don't do anything. Something's shooting at us. Feels like it's coming from the sky. Where's that guy? Like way up on the hill? I can't even see them up there.
East of your location.
But now your ammo box is gone, but that's alright. Oh, the attack boat is back.
Вижу, вражеский корабль.
Talk about me, John. I'm 11-2 right now.
I spotted an enemy tank east of your position.
Oh,